We're here at 19504 Century Drive. If you're looking for that combination of unparalleled quality and design in a location that's literally steps from everything that Bend has to offer, welcome home. One of the unmistakable things about this house is how bright and airy it feels. When you enter, you're greeted with these soaring ceilings in the foyer. You've got these stained concrete floors, and just to the left, you've got a flex space that's currently being used as a gym and has its own built-in personal sauna. As you head up the stairs, you emerge onto the elevated great room, which is the main level of this home, and it's where most of your living will take place. One of the great things about it is that this house is Earth Advantage certified, and so that means upgraded insulation and upgraded windows, so when you're inside, it really feels like a quiet and peaceful experience. I love the blend of materials and design. We've got the wood tones of the floors and the wood styling of the cabinets mixed with the metals of the railings and the floor-to-ceiling steel fireplace, 2 different types of quartz counters, and this 8-foot accent wall to the left of the fireplace. As you head down the hallway towards the back of the home, you'll pass a powder room, and to the back of the home you have a roomy office with an L-shaped workstation. And then your primary suite is tucked, overlooking the rock to the back, and has a well-appointed and luxurious feeling primary bath with soaking tub, glass surround shower, and modern barn door leading into a closet. As you head down the hallway to the front of the home, you'll pass a flex space that they have set up as a nice TV room, and to the very front you have 2 comfortably sized spare bedrooms, both with high windows, and you have a full bath with dual vanity and shower. Out back, you really get an appreciation for how much was invested into making this feel like an outdoor mountain oasis. This is really going to be the spot where you're going to want to unwind at the end of a long day of work or play. We invite you to come experience what it feels like to call this place home.